Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a desktop shortcut for any website using Google Chrome. So let's get started. First, just open the website that you want to turn into a shortcut, and then like this, just like this. And then to make it into a shortcut, just go to three dots at the top right corner of the Chrome, this one. Just tap on it. And then just go down until you find cast, save and share, this one. And then just tap on create shortcut, this one. And then just give your shortcut a name, for just name it as you like. For example, I will name it like this. Next, let's see on the desktop. Like this. You will see the website shortcut on your desktop like this, complete with the website's icon like this. And when you double click it, Chrome will open that page instantly like this. It's super quick and easy, right? Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!